Hi guys, welcome back to Sunira channel. This is Mark Scheme past paper by Susan Hira YouTube channel. I am a professional tutor. I teach mathematics science online and also face to face, depending on where you reside. Now let's get started. For today's discussion, I'm going to discuss about mathematics stage 5. Paper 2 is from 2022 past paper. The total duration for this paper is 45 minutes, and you can use calculator, set square. Total mark is 40. Now let's get started. For each question there will be a pause for a few seconds so you can use it for finding your answer. This is one way of practical way to practice for tests for mathematics stage 5. Okay, now let's get started. Look at all these angles. Mike draw this angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Take all the segments about these angles that are true. They are all less than right angle. They are all less than 180 degree. There are no obtuse angle. They are all more than a quarter turn. Okay, let's get to the discussion. Have you got your own answer? Now for first statement, they are all less than a right angle. Right angle is a corner of anything, so this seems to be all true. Now they are all less than 180 degree. 180 degree is a straight line, of course. This all are true. There are no obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is between 90 to 180. Of course they are true. And they are all more than a quarter turn. A quarter turn is a quarter 90 degree. More than that, no, this is not. So we only have 3 ticks. You got the same answer? Well done if you are getting 3 ticks. It means you are absolutely correct. Okay, question 2. Gabriela collects data about the number of a goals scored in matches by her netball team. Here are her results. Frequency versus number of goals. Now, what was her team's highest scores? So, pause this video and find your own answer. Alright, let's check the discussion. What was her team's highest score? So, highest score will be number of goals access. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 is the highest score. Next, what time? How many times did her team score? No goals, no goals. So okay, let's get back to the answer. How many times did her team score no goals? Mean 0, 0. Frequency is 3 times of 0, so we have the answer 3. Isn't it easy, guys? Let's get to question 3. Naomi is counting back in sevens. Write the next 3 numbers in her sequence. 27, 20, 13, 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys, you can do that. Okay, let's get back. What is your answer? So this is minus 7, and this should be minus 7. So it should be 6, minus 7. It should be minus 1, minus 7. It should be minus 8. Okay. If you have any confusion about how we get this number, please write down in the comment section in any channel that you see this video. We'll reply to you with another explanation. Alright, next. Number 4, Lily thinks of a 4-digit number. My number has 8 ones and 3,000. The sum of the 4 digits is 12. Write a number that Lily could be thinking of. And question B, Lily multiplies her number by 10 to make a new number. Write the number of tens her new number has. Few seconds. Alright, let's check the question. You have not finished, you may pause this video, guys. Now, 4-digit number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 ones. So 8 ones is here, 3000 here. Now the sum of the 4 digits is 12. So this all together add up to 12. 3 plus a number plus a number plus 8 is equal to 12. Now write a number that Lily could be thinking of. So the answer for this should be, because it equals to 12, this must be as 1, 0 and 1 to make 12. Okay? Plus 8 and 3 is already 11, so it has to be plus 1 to get 12. So let's write 3018. Can we? That's the answer. Next thing, Lily multiplies her number. Lily multiplies her numbers to make a new number. Write the number of tens in her new number. So multiply her number by 10, so it means 3018 times 10. It becomes 30180. So write down the number of tens. Her new number has tens is the second digit from the back. The last digit is 1, so it should be 8. Should be 8. 8 tens in her new number. 8 tens. Because this is 80. So you hope it's clear? Next, we move on. Question 5. Take all the events that take less than 1 second. Wow, 1 second so quick. So eat a bowl of soup, so it's impossible. Clap your hands. This really can be less than 1 second. Eat an apple, it's impossible. Say hello, hello. Less than 1 second. So read a book, it's impossible. We have only 2. Alright, next question. Carlos and Rajiv are adding numbers. When I add 2 numbers, the answer is even. That's what Carlos said. Now, Rajiv, I know that you added 2 even numbers. Put a digit in each box to make an addition that shows that Rajiv is wrong. So Rajiv's statement that you added 2 even number to get an even number is wrong. So you have to show an odd number instead to prove that Rajiv is wrong. This is even. We have to prove that Rajiv is wrong. So we take an odd number. Odd number is, let's say, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 make 4. So I added 2 numbers and the answer is even. 4 is even. That's what Carlos says. And Rajiv is wrong since the 2 number is odd. Alright, odd numbers. Okay, next, number 7. Join us to draw a scalene triangle. Okay, you may try on your own. Okay, let's check the answer, guys. Join us to the scalene triangle. Scalene triangles, all 3 sides are different. So, can do 1, 2, 3. Isn't here? Is here? This will be a scalene triangle. So all sides are different. Alright. Yes. Go to number 8. Write the number that is 5 times more than 4.79. Okay, let's check it out. If you're not done, you may pause this video. 5 tenths. 5 tenths is means of 5 over 10. 5 over 10 is 0.5. So 0.5. 9, 12, 1, 5, 5.29. 5.29. Okay, so that will be our answer, guys. Let's go to number 9 now. Oliver has a piece of ribbon. Oliver says that 2/3 of the ribbon is shorter than 7/12 of the ribbon. So now, tick to show if Oliver is correct. Yes or no, explain how you know your answer. Okay? So, time up. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Now, let's check the statement of Oliver. Okay, so 2/3 of the ribbon is shorter than 7/12 of the ribbon. 7/12. So first, let's say equalize the denominator by times with a 4 here to make 12. So 8/12. Now is 8/12 smaller or greater than 7/12? So this statement is wrong because 8/12 is greater than. So if Oliver is correct, now Oliver is wrong. Explain how you know. So how we know is a 2/3. 2/3. So we write 2/3 is greater than 7/12. And it's 2/3 is equals to 8/12 is greater than 7/12. That should be our answer. Next, let's move on to question 10. Here's a rectangle drawn on a grid. So now of squares, draw a square with the same perimeter as a rectangle on the grid. So we need to have a square. You may pause this video. Right, let's check the answer, guys. So same perimeter means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit, and 1, 2, 3, 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 times 2 times 2 is 2 times 8 is 16. We have 16. So now so we need to make a square with 16. So 16, because all square has the same side, we divide by 4 to get one side, though that is 4. So we have to make a square with side 4. So we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4. We go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be our square. 4 by 4 square is equal to the perimeter of 16. Alright? Okay. On each of the shapes that tessellate, so we have to check which one can tessellate. It can fit without giving any space. So it will be this one and this one. For circle, it does not really tessellate or any curving line or shape. And this will tessellate easily as this is the illustration like this. And then go here like that. So that is the meaning of tessellate can be arranged and fit perfectly. Alright, next, this is also same. This can tessellate easily. And this is also can tessellate easily. Okay, let's move on to question 12. Question 12. Somewhere are thinking of a number between -10 and 0. It is 4 hundredths and no tenths, and the ones digit is 6. So now write down this Samira's number as a decimal. You get a few seconds to think. Alright, you need some more time, you may pause this video. Let's start with this question. So digit 1 is 6. So this is 6, and then 400 with th, it means is 4/100, 4/100. and no tens, it means the tens is 0. So the answer should be 6, and then this is 0, this is 0.04, so we will get 6.04. That will be our answer. Right, guys, let's move on to question 13. Here are 3 dots joined by lines to make a shape. Translate the shape 3 squares down and 2 squares right. Draw the shapes in its new positions. Right, for this one, it's good if you print it out first and then you can practice on your own. Check the description sections for our email if you need the PDF of this one. And few seconds to think. Alright, let's discuss the answer. So 3 shapes down. So it should be 1, 2, 3 going down. This will go here, and then 2 squares right. So 1, 2. So this point will stop and here, and the rest of the point just adjust because it's 2 unit down, 2 unit down. So we make 2 unit down here, and it's also 2 unit to the right. So we put 2 unit to the right here. So this will be our translation. 3 squares down, 2 squares right. So this is our answer. The dot, this is the dot, and this will be the dot. Alright, let's move on. Let me clean this. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Never mind. Next, question 14. Hassan runs some measurements and to the nearest centimeters. Here are his results right across next to all the answers that are wrong. Actual measurement is 2.3. Measurement rounded to nearest centimeter is 2. 1.8 rounded to 2. 2.6 rounded to 2. 2.5 rounded to 2. And 1.4 rounded to 2. So which one is the one that we have to put the cross, which is wrong in rounding off? So few seconds. Right, guys, let's start the discussion. The one that we have to put the cross will be, so this to here is less than 2.5, so it should be okay. 1.8 is more than 1.5, so actually 2 is between, to the nearest centimeter, it means between a 1.5 and 2.5, and in here there is a 1 here, and in here there is a 3 here. So 2 is here, 1 is here, 3 is here. So the middle is 1.5, between 1 and 2, and 2.5. As long as they are still within this range, it means it's still running up to 2, and it should be less than 2.5 and should be greater than or equals to 1.5. So these all are less than 2.5. This is greater than 1.5. Now this one is greater than 2.5. So it should round up to 3. Actually, it should be go to 3. So this one will be cross. This one 2.5, 2.5. Once it reaches 2.5, it has to actually go to also 3. And 1.4 is less than 1.5. It has to go to 1. So it has to go to 1. So We have 3 cross in here. I hope it's clear. Next, number 15. Here's a regular pentagon. The center is marked with a dot. Write the percentage of the shape that is shaded. So, a few seconds. Okay, shaded, so it is 1 and 2, and then it is divided into 5, 3, 4, 5, so it's 2 over 5 times 100. What's your answer, guys? This is mental math. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 20 times 2, 2 times 20 is 40%. Alright? Kind of easy, right? Next question 15, 16. Here are short numbers. If you use this diagram, one section is shaded, which is multiples of 100, and the white one is multiples of 25. This is the intersection. Here says there will not be any numbers in the shaded section. Explain why here is right. So there will be no number in here. There will be no number in here means because this is shaded section. Because multiples of 25 is a 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, and so on. So multiple of 25 is also always a multiple of 100. So everything will be put in here, like the 25, 50, 75, and 100. Multiples 100 will be put in the middle, 100, 200. So this place will be empty. Then we will write, here is write as multiple of 100 is also multiples of 25. Alright, let's move on. Question 17. Ahmed draws a small square and a big square. And Ahmed wants to find out how many small squares will fill inside the big square. So take each calculation of Ahmed could use to find. So let's zoom it out. We have an option here, 6 options. So let's check out the correct option. Which one is the correct option for this question? So small square is 1 cm, so we got 5 seconds. I may pause if you're not finished. Okay, let's start the discussion, guys. If you want to pause, you can pause. You want to find out your own answer first. So small square is 1. Small square is 1. 1 by 1 cm. Big square is 7 by 7. So how many small squares will fill inside the big square? So it will be out of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of 1 square, and then this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 7. So 7 times 7 will be 49, right? 49 of 1 cm square. Now, take each calculation Ahmed could use to find out. So it will be 7 square. So 7 times 7 is 7 square and is equals to 49. This is correct. 7 times 7. So there are 2 ticks to fit this answer. 7 squared or 7 times 7. Let's move on to question 18. Here's a number line. Each box is a point to a number on the line. Write the correct number in each box. Choose from the number cards. Alright. You're given 5 seconds. Okay, let's see this question now. So Let's check it out. Write the correct numbers in each box. Choose from the number card. So this is between 0 and 1. We have to check each of these fractions. This is 3 over 3 equals to 1. This is less than 2 over 3 is less than 1. And 3 over 2 is equals to 1 and a half. 7 over 2 is equals to 3 and a half. You want to know how to do this? 7 divided by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1. 1 is less, so 1 we put up. 1 over 2. That's how we got 3 and a half or 7 over 2. Now, between 0 and 1, we have to choose the one that has the value. So, the one that has that value is only this one. So this should be between 0 and 1 means less than 1, less than 1. The one that is less than 1 is only this one. This is equals to 0.66666 something. So it means we have to put 2 over 3 here. And between 1 and 2 is 1 and a half, so 3 over 2. Between 2 and 3, 2 and 3 is this one, 2 and 3. So 2 1/3. Right, that's the answer. Now let's check back our answer. So from question 11, question 12, and 12, I see that there's a mistake here. This is negative 10, so we have to put negative in here to make the rule correct. So negative 6.04 is between negative 10 and 0. And unit in digit ones is 6, and 100 is 4, so it's still correct. So we have to put 100. Sorry, guys. All right, let's. This one should be okay. 3 square down to right, and then this one should be okay. Now 15, 40%, 16. This is the answer. 17. We are done with 17. 7 square and 7 times 7. So if there's any correction, please feel free to write in the comment section in any of the social media that you're watching this video from. So number 18, and then we see number 19 now. 19. So Angelique runs 3 over 4 kilometers and stops for a rest. Then she runs a further 5 over 8 of a kilometer. Now write the distance Angelique runs altogether. Okay, guys, let's check it out. Together mean we have add these two numbers, this and this. So 3 over 4 plus 5 over 8 is, this is different. Times by 2 to get 8. Now becomes 6 over 8 plus 5 over 8. Now we have 11 over 8, and it round up to 8, 1, 3, 1, 3 over 8, 1, 3 over 8 is our answer. 1, 3 over 8 kilometers. Next. Alright. Question 20. Here are 4 shapes. Jamila adds 1 square to a shape to make the net of a closed cube. Draw a ring around the shape she uses. 1 square to make the shape of a closed cube. A closed cube is this is the easy one. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then we can add 1 here and 1 here. So that will be 1 cube, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have few seconds to think. Okay, which one is your answer, guys? This is definitely not, because it will overlap when we shape it. So one that similar to this is this one, and at one it will be here, and then when Jamila fold, will definitely close to make a shape of a cube. Alright, next 21. A square is drawn on a grid. The coordinates of two of the vertices are 0, 3 and 3, 0. Write down the coordinates of the other two vertices of the square. So let's check what is 0, 3 is here, 3, 0 is here, and this is a square. So square means the two vertices. So we have two vertices. So we can say that this is the square here, because this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So another coordinate is 0, 0, this one, and 3, 3. Right, next one, 22. Here's the timetable for trains for Amsterdam to the airport. Anastasia's plane leaves at 12:15. Catches the latest train that gets her to the airport 2 hours before her flight leaves. Now, how long is her train journey? So, the latest train that gets her to the airport 2 hours before her flight leaves. Flight leave is here, 2 hours before. So let's get a few seconds to wait. You can figure out the answer. If you need some more time, you may pause this video. Okay, so 2 hours before 12:15 is 10:15. Uh, so she reached airport at 10:15. Now, how long is her train journey? How long is the train journey? So she reached at 10:15. 10:15, arrived 10:15 from Amsterdam to the airport. So 10:15. Here we go. 10:15 will be this one. Now we'll depart at this time. So how long is her train journey? Is from 9:53 to 10:05. So how long will we have to subtract to get the duration? 53. So we subtract. So we get, we borrow from here. We add 60. Now this becomes 9. So 60 now minus 53 is 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 9 minus 9 is 0. So 7 minutes. So the answer is 7 minutes. Alright, any question? Sorry guys, so 60 plus 5 is altogether 65. 65. So we got 65. 65 minus 53 is a 12, okay? 12. So 12 minutes, that's the correction. So from 09:53 to 10:05 is 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes is the answer. Okay, let's move on. 23. Here are pets of children in class 5. Complete the sentence to describe the proportion of the pets that are dog. A blank in every blank pet is a dog. So 1 and 2. Let's give you a few seconds to do. So if you need some more time, you may pause this video. So again, now we count dog is 1, 2. Another dog is a 3 here. So this is rabbit, this is rabbit, this is cat, 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 and this is another cat. So we have 3 dogs. 3 out of all together is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 out of 12. So 3 out of 12. The proportion that are also 3 over 12. We simplify into divided by 3 is 1 over 4. So now we have 1 in every 4 pets is a dog. 1 in every 4 pets is a dog. Right, 24. 24 now. Carlos uses a bricks to make steps. He uses 1 brick for the first step, 3 bricks for the second steps. He uses 6 bricks for the third step. So now he continues making steps in the same way. How many bricks will Carlos use for the 6th step? So if we continue, we see this one is a first, second, third. Start with 1 and 3 and then 6. So you'll be given 5 seconds to think. 1. Alright guys, if you're not finished, you may pause this video. So let's check it out. So the pattern is 1, 3, 6. Then it has to go to 4th, 5th, and 6th. Now let's see the pattern. This is plus 2. This is plus 3. It means to go to the next pattern, it has to be plus 4. So the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th set. So 4 will be a plus 4 is a 10. And then the 5th one, 4 plus 5 is 15. And the 6th one, 5, 15 plus 6 is 21. So we see the pattern. First step is 1, second step is 3, third step is 6. So we see the difference is 1 to 3 is plus 2, 3 to 6 is plus 3. It means we plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 in the different to get the next order. So it will be 10, 15, and 21. So it will be 21. Okay. If you have any other steps or tricks, please feel free to write in the comment section. Next question, 25. 25 says, let me zoom out this one here. Here is some more information about 4 children: Chen, Eva, Mia, Yuri. There's height, age, handspan, and foot length. Write down the names of 4 children in the correct place on the Carroll diagram. Height is exactly 6 times the foot length. Height is not exactly 6 times the foot length. Taller than 130, not taller than 130. So given few seconds to sort out this in Carroll diagram. Alright, you need some more time. Please pause this video. Now let's sort it out. Taller than 130. This one yes. This one yes. This one yes. So we have a Chen. We have Chen, Eva, and then Mia here. Not taller than 130 means we have only a Yuri. So sorry, don't know. Height is exactly 6 times the foot length. So height, foot length, this one, 20, 19, this one, and this one. 6 times. So 20 times 6 is 120. So this is not exactly. So this will be Chen here. Eva 19 times 6. 19 times 6 is 4, 5. 114 is not, so this will be Eva. About Mia 22 times 6. 22 times 6 is 12. 1132 is exactly. So Mia will be here. And then not taller than 130 is Yuri, and Yuri foot length is 20. 20 times 6 is 120. This is not 120, so height is not exactly 6 times, so Yuri should be here. We have these 4 children and we have them sorted out. This is Mia, this is Chen, this is Eva, and this is Yuri. Sort it out. Done. Next. Okay. Now, question number 26. Naomi labels the board scale on the bottom. Write the correct number of each label. Okay, few seconds. Okay, let's check it out. So you see there's a interval here, interval. So now we have a 350 to go to 750, 300 to 750 is a 450, and we divide by 1 2 3 steps, so divide by 3. So I mean 1 unit, 1 step is 150. So I mean 300 plus 150 is a 450. 450 plus 150 is 600. Now, I mean, this is a number. We have to minus 150, then we get 150. We have 150, 300, 450, 600. So that will be our answer. Next, 27. 5 identical triangles are placed on a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Calculate the size of angle X here. Few seconds. Okay, guys, so you need some more time. Please pause this video. How to calculate angle X? So a straight line is a 180 as usual. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. So they're identical. So 5x equals to 180. Now we have to find x is 180 divided by 5. Let's divide 180 divided by 5. 3, 15, 30, so 6. So it's 36. Right, guys? Now question 28. Oliver and Mike buy some items at school fair. The table shows the items they buy and the money they spend. Oliver, items they buy is this: 2 cars, Mike, 1 car and 2 balls. Money they spend is $8 and $10. What? How much does 1 ball cost? So, few seconds. Alright guys, if you need some more time, please pause this video. Now this is just a ratio or comparison. So we have a 2 cars. 2 cars is $8. Mean 1 car is 8 divided by 2 is $4. So now if the car is $4, so this 2 ball will cost the difference between 10 and 4. So it's 10 minus 4 is a $6. So these 2 cars cost $6. So for 2, then 6 divided by 2 to get 3. So each is $3 and $3. That's how we count. So this is $3. Okay, $3, guys. Next question 28b. The price of a car in dollars is represented by a star, and then price of dollars balls is represented by a circle. Take the expression that shows that how Mike spent his money. So Mike is here. Car, 1 car and 2 balls. So 1 car is star, and 2 ball is ball. So this will be Mike here, $10. So 1 car and 2 balls. So it means 1 star and 2 circle. 1 star and 2 circle is this one. All right. Next, hope it's clear. 1 car and 2 balls is 1 star and 2 circle. Next, number 29. Yusuf has a ball of string and a parcel. He uses 1/5 of his string to tie a parcel and uses 48 centimeter of string. Write the length of the string that Yusuf has left in centimeters. Few seconds. Alright guys, let's check it out. So 1/5 of his string to tie a parcel is 1/5 of the string. So he uses 1/6 of the fish to tie parcel, and then there's a ball of string and a parcel. So now 1/5. So if the total is 5, and then he uses 48. So 1/5 is 1/5. So 1 unit is a 48 cm, because one unit out of 5. You know what I mean? Left is 5 unit, and then so this is 1 unit, 2, 3, 4. This is used. Now this one is left. So left means 4 unit. We have to find 4 unit. 4 unit is 4 times 48, so we will get 23192. 192 is the length of string Yusuf left in centimeter. We have this clear? Alright, next. Question, you write the length of string that Yusuf has left in meters. In meters, so from cm to meters, 1 meter is 100 cm. So for cm to go to meter, we have to divide it by 100. So it means 192 divided by 800. So it is equals to 1.92 should be the answer. Alright, next. We move on to next question. Sorry guys, there's a lot of background noise. So question 30. Sylvia has some number cards 1212. She chooses 2 of the cards to make this statement correct. Write a number in each box to show which card Sylvia chooses. So a box and 0%, smaller than a box over 5, smaller than 0.3. So she has to choose 2 cards to make the statement correct. So we have second. 1. Okay, let's check it out. 2 cards to make the statement correct. So either 1 or 2, that is the number. So 10%. 10%. So if I put 1 here and 2 here, let's check it out. 10% is 10 over 100, is 1 over 10, is a 0.1, and 2 over 5 is 0.4. So this is a 0.3, 0.3. So we cannot use 2 in here. So we have to use 1 because it has to be smaller than 0.2. So now I erase this one. So we use this one now. Another cards number 1. Cards number 1. So 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is 0.2. Now it's correct. So 10% is 0.1, smaller than 0.2, smaller than 0.3. So use 1 and 1 in here. Alright, next question 31. A square paving slab has a side length of 1 over 3 meters. Remember, this is a square. What is the perimeter of the paving slab? Few seconds. Okay. If you need some more time, please pause this video. Now perimeter is 4 sides. We add up. So 4 sides. So the shortcut is 4 times 1 3 equals to 4 over 3 or 1/3 meters. Now Regis join 5 paving slabs to make a path. Length of path. What is the length of the path? So since it's 1 over 3 and then 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. So you will need a few seconds to count. You can pause this video. Okay, so length of the path in 3, 5. 5 times 1 over 3 is 5 over 3. So it means 2/1/3. So the answer is 2/1/3. No, 1/1/3. Sorry, 1/2/3. 1/2/3. 1/2/3. All right. We have question 32. Sandra has 2 squares. The area of each square is 100. She overlaps 2 squares. Calculate the shaded area here. Now, area of each square is 10, so it means it's 10 times 10. The side is 10 times 10 here. Now this is 6, it means we have extra 4 here. And then again, this is 4, so this will be 6. And we see that this one also will be 10 minus 6, that is 4. So this is also or this is 4, this will be 6, and this will be another 4. So the shaded area, it means the whole square, the whole shaded square is 10 times 10, which is 100, and then minus this empty is 4 times 4, which is 16. So 10 minus 16, you'll get 84. So that will be our answer, 84. Okay, that's the end of this question. So let's scroll from the front to check it out again, and then after that we will close this discussion. So we start from 11 here. It takes now send this 12. So let's erase this one. So these are the original question. Okay, now 12, 11, this is the answer. 12 is negative 6.04, 13 is the answer here. 14 is a 3 cross, 15 is 40%, 16 is a, here is right as multiple of 100 is also multiple of 25, and then 17 is 7 squared and 7 times 7 here. Now 18 is a, here 2 third, 3 2, 2 1 third, alright, and then 19 is 138, 138, alright. 20 is this one. 21 is a here 0 0 and 3 3, and 22 is a 4 10 15 is this one, so it's altogether 12 minutes. 23 is a 3 dogs out of 12, so 1 over 3. 1 in every 4 pets is dog, so 24 is a pattern, so this will be 21. So 25 is here, Nia, Chen, Eva, Yuri, so it's here. That's 25, and then 26 is this one, 600, 450, 150. 27 is 36, 28 is 3, and then this one will be here, 1 star and 2 circle, and then 29 is 1.92, 192 centimeter. Now a 30 is 1 and 1. 31 is a 1 1 third. 32 is a 1 2 third. All right. 31 is 31B is 1 2 third. 31, 32 is a 84. We subtract from 16. So that's the end of the discussion. If you have any questions, feel free to write down in the comment section in Zanira YouTube channel or in any social media that you watch this video from. And check at the description section for useful links and also detailed information about us. See you and bye bye in the next video. If there's any correction, please feel free to write in the comment section. Or you have any idea, inquiry, or input. Bye bye and see you next video. And we hope today's discussion will be helpful to you and God bless you. Discussion is conducted by Study with Tuition Online. We cater for all this program and subject. If you're interested to join or take private tuition with us, please email us and don't forget to check link in the description and ring the bell. Bye bye and see you in the next video. We hope today's discussion is helpful to you. Please write down in the comment section if you have any idea, input, request, or question. We'll surely reply to you. Bye bye and see you in the next video. And God bless you.